I know this is relatively difficult to see, but I'm having a difficult time to see myself. Look at what I mean. We are on I-15, somewhere between Beaver and Cedar City, probably 25 miles north of Cedar City. And it's starting to stick. We're driving through a blizzard. That's karstic ahead of me. I just talked to Rick Retheray, and he tells me it breaks up about Cedar City. But the Weather Channel tells me the snow level's down to about 4,500 feet. And that's what my GPS tells me. We're still up at about 5,700 feet. So we got a ways to drop before we get out of this stuff. Not fun. Not fun at all.